Alright gang, Mr. Sunderland here. We're going to go over Premod application, and I'm just going to kind of go over the um, steps for that. So on this particular machine, we're going to hit electrotherapy. Alright, then we're going to hit Premod. Remember, Premod is IFC, but only in through one channel. So on the IFC, it will say Premod. I have it set at the amplitude is going to be turned up in volts, and I'll change that. It's going to be continuous. There's a sweep mode on, and it's for 20 minutes. So I'm going to edit. I'm going to hit here. All right. So I have the sweep on. I'm going to leave on particular on Premod. You can't use the target or the vector on that. So it's on continuous. I have the beat frequency. So there's going to be a carrying frequency and a beat frequency all in the same channel. All right. How's it do that? The machine does it. I don't know, but it will modulate between the two. I have it on volts now. I'm going to change that to amps, CC, continuous current. Okay, my treatment time is here. Okay, you can see that it's milliamps down here. All right, so I have that all set up. Now I'm going to switch over to the application part, and you can see that I have it already set up on my forearm. All right, so what I have is I have one lead. I've already cleaned the skin, and I have the other electrode here. Remember, this application is for a flexor carpi radialis longus, or flexor carpi radialis, no longus on the flexor side. All right, so I'm not getting a motor control, so I don't have to have the electrode on a motor point. So I'm going to put it over the origin of that muscle, and I have the other here. So let's talk about current density. So there's a set current density under each one of these size electrodes. The farther I have it apart, the deeper the current is going to go. At least that's in theory. You never want your electrodes very close because it's going to stay superficial. So you want your electrodes farther apart if possible. If you want it to go deep, set them farther apart. So I have the machine set. I'm going to press start. Okay. I'm going to turn it up until I can feel the current. And now I can feel it under the upper lead. All right. And so that's a very good buzz, but I'm getting a little contraction, so I'm going to turn that down. All right. So that is Premod. You want to set Premod up usually on muscles. So if the muscle fibers run this way, all right, and you have muscle pain, set it up on Premod. Usually around joints, quad polar's much better. Now, I can absolutely set this up on quad polar with the other channel here and here. All right, but Premod is easier. All right, it's all built in. You do not have the vector or the target on it, but it works pretty good on muscle pain. All right, you'll have a window somewhere between 30 minutes and an hour afterwards for Premod, um, and for your rehab or stretching or exercise. And so when you apply any kind of IFC, you should basically do your rehab right afterwards. Applying it and then go to a meeting and then come back again, it may not have the effects there. All right. So this is Premod IFC application example video for your IFC assignment. Thank you.